France is preparing to build a next-generation nuclear-powered aircraft carrier that will be the largest warship in Europe, with a budget of 10 billion euros. This massive project was announced by the French Minister of Armed Forces, Sébastien Lecornu, during a recent Parliamentary Defense Committee hearing, where he revealed that the official order for this ship will be placed in 2025. The ship is named Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération (PANG), and its construction will be led by the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire. Construction is expected to start in 2026 and be completed in 2038. With impressive dimensions, the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération (PANG) will be 305 meters long and nearly 80 meters wide, much larger than its predecessor, the Charles de Gaulle, which entered service in 2001. The ship is designed to carry around 40 aircraft, including the new generation of Rafale Marine fighter jets, E-2D Hawkeye radar aircraft, as well as drones. The ship will also use a nuclear propulsion system, which, although more expensive by 20%, provides wider operational capabilities and increases France's maritime autonomy. The recruitment process for the ship's staff has already begun, with an estimated 2,000 personnel to be stationed on board. Given the complexity of nuclear-powered vessels, training for key personnel could take up to 15 years. Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération is considered crucial to maintaining France's global military position and its role in NATO, especially in the face of the increasing naval power of countries such as China and India. It is estimated that, by 2030, the number of global aircraft carriers will increase from 19 to 27. Currently, France has only one nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the Charles de Gaulle, R-91. It is capable of carrying between 30 to 40 fighter aircraft and helicopters and has played an important role in various military operations, including NATO missions and multinational exercises in 2024. The Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération project confirms France's commitment to strengthening its military capabilities at sea and maintaining a strategic position on the international stage. With the launch of the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération, PANG, France hopes to maintain its strategic advantage at sea, especially amid increasingly fierce global competition. The new aircraft carrier will be a symbol of France's continued military strength, as well as a manifestation of the naval modernization necessary to face future security challenges. It also reflects France's efforts to strengthen cooperation with its NATO allies. As the only country outside the United States to operate a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, France will continue to be a key player in various collective defense missions, maintaining stability in the Atlantic region, the Mediterranean, and beyond. In the coming years, the construction process of the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération will be the main focus of the French Navy, given the complexity of this project. The latest technologies will be applied, including the integration of unmanned aircraft systems and other advanced military devices, which are expected to provide tactical advantages in modern warfare. On the other hand, the Charles de Gaulle, which currently commands the French carrier fleet, will continue to play a vital role in maintaining France's military presence in various regions until the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération (PANG) is ready for operation. During this transition period, the French will seek to maintain a balance between modernization and operational viability of their fleet. The presence of the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération on international seas will strengthen France's geopolitical influence in various global conflicts and missions, while confirming its position as one of the world's largest naval powers. More than just a symbol of military power, Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération also marks a new chapter in French maritime technology and innovation. The ship is not only designed to accommodate advanced fighter aircraft, such as the Rafale Marine, but will also be prepared for next-generation drone platforms and electronic warfare technologies. The Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération will be equipped with cutting-edge weapon systems and advanced sensors to ensure France stays ahead in modern warfare scenarios, which increasingly rely on real-time data collection and processing. The Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération project also has a major impact on the French defense industry. Thousands of jobs will be created, both directly through ship construction and indirectly through the supply chain. These jobs will support a wide range of sectors, from nuclear technology to electronic devices and military logistics, creating a significant economic boost. The role of the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire as a construction center also reinforces France's position as one of the countries with the most advanced military shipbuilding capabilities in Europe. Beyond the economic impact, the PANG project will be a real test of France's ability to combine technological innovation with military effectiveness. With increasing global competition, including massive investments from countries such as China and India in building their aircraft carrier fleets, France cannot afford to be complacent. The nuclear technology adopted by the PANG is also in the spotlight, as it provides the strategic advantage of longer operational autonomy without having to refuel frequently, thus making the ship capable of longer operations in distant conflict zones. On the other hand, this aircraft carrier will play an important role in France's broader maritime defense strategy, especially in safeguarding national interests in regions such as the Indo-Pacific, where geopolitical tensions continue to rise. The presence of the PANG will give France the ability to respond quickly to crises and display the projection power required in multinational operations and peace missions. Overall, the launch of the Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération will be a milestone in France's naval capabilities and affirm their role on the global military stage. Although the project took more than a decade to complete, the huge investments and technologies implemented promise an aircraft carrier that is not only bigger and stronger, but also more flexible and ready to face future threats. France will continue to maintain its position as a major power at sea, both within NATO and in its independent defense operations.